The world's longest car, also known as the American Dream, is an incredible piece of automotive engineering that stretches an astounding 100 feet long. Originally built in 1986 by famed car customizer Jay Ohrberg, this limousine was designed to be the ultimate expression of luxury and excess, and it still holds the Guinness World Record for the longest car ever built. The car is based on a modified Cadillac Eldorado chassis and was initially created as a promotional tool for movies and events. It features 26 wheels to support its immense size and is equipped with two V8 engines, one in the front and one in the rear, to provide the necessary power to move its massive frame. Its design is not just about size, it's also packed with some jaw-dropping features that make it a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. One of its most iconic features is a swimming pool, complete with a diving board. Yes, you heard that right, a car with a pool. In addition, the car boasts a hot tub, a mini golf course, a king-sized waterbed, and even a helipad on the rear, which can hold a lightweight helicopter. The car is essentially a mobile luxury resort, designed to impress anyone who sets eyes on it. The American Dream's story hasn't always been glamorous. Over the years, it fell into disrepair, sitting abandoned and rusting for decades. Thankfully, it was rescued by Michael Deser, a car enthusiast and owner of the Deserland Park Car Museum in Orlando, Florida. Deser and his team painstakingly restored the limousine to its former glory, ensuring that all its features were functional and its aesthetics were pristine. The restoration process was a monumental task, taking years to complete and costing a small fortune. Everything from the engines to the unique interior features had to be rebuilt or replaced. Today, the car stands as a testament to creativity and engineering prowess, drawing crowds from all over the world who want to witness its extraordinary scale and design. Despite its size, the car isn't practical for regular driving. Maneuvering it is a challenge, and it requires special accommodations for storage and transport. However, practicality was never the goal. The American Dream was built to push the boundaries of what a car could be, and it has achieved that in spades. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history. It captures the spirit of innovation and the love of excess that defined its era. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone fascinated by unique creations, the world's longest car is a marvel worth celebrating. Enjoy your journey and subscribe my channel.